Born from a legendary racing DNA, engineered to conquer dirt, mud, and the most extreme tracks. This is the Ducati Desmo450 Enduro MX Factory. This motorcycle is more than just an enduro, it is a statement. Powered by a high-performance 450 cubic centimeters engine featuring Ducati's signature Desmodromic technology, the Desmo450 delivers explosive power, razor-sharp throttle response, and exceptional durability in even the harshest conditions. A lightweight aluminum frame, purpose-built for competition, provides the perfect balance between agility and stability. Combined with race-spec long-travel suspension, this machine is ready to attack steep climbs, massive jumps, and highly technical terrain with total control. The MX Factory version comes equipped with top-tier components, high-performance braking systems, off-road racing wheel sets, and aggressive ergonomics developed directly from Ducati's motorsport experience.